Mission. Dito, let's buti lang dito.
Game.
Mission. Train up a child according to the way he should be. Even when he grows old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs chapter 32, verse 6. Vision. Catering among the youth, high quality education by promoting the formation of the women who can contribute to the attainment of national goals within the Christian context.
Dapat walang laman ng bibig.
Gas, wisdom, EDG was born, full of praise with a mission. High quality education is her vision. From God's wisdom, EDGB was born, full of praise with a mission. High quality education is her vision. Hail EDGB for its success. Let Royals praise. Hail EDGB, our alma mater dear. We love and chase you forever. We love and chase you forever. Mami, dito ka!
Andiyan ka.